Last year, we brought you System 20, the most successful health plan we have ever rolled out. And now, System 21 has taken System 20 to a whole new level, helping you lose weight, get a better handle on your physical and emotional health, and after the hardest year we've ever collectively experienced, thank goodness. Now, Lisa lost 57 pounds since she started on this plan just 1 year ago. Pretty cool. Zandra, she lost 20 pounds in just 2 months on System 21, and she's getting a better night's sleep because it's part of the plan. Amanda exceeded her exercise goal, and I can't wait to show you what Carolyn looks like because she lost a ton of weight, and this is really important, she came off all of her medications. System 21 ladies, you're all doing a fabulous job. I want you to give yourself a round of applause. I'm very proud of you. I really am. It took a lot of effort. You show up in your lives every day. God bless you. And you're role models for a lot of America. Now, here's the best part for everybody. Some of these folks are joining us today to reveal the secret, easy ways that they shed the pounds and got unhealthy eating back under control. We're going to start with Oz Show senior investigative correspondent Marcy Abacampo. She's been on System 21 for about 2 months. She's also a team leader. I love that you did this plan.
Oh, this was such a great plan, Dr. Oz. Thank you for creating it.
Well, as you know, it's a whole little secret I'll share with you. It's actually the plan my producers use. After 12 years of making shows about losing weight, being your best person, sleeping better, dealing with anxiety, they brought those best tips for themselves, and we just happened to share it. Anyway, what have you gotten out of this? What do you think is the best part of the plan?
You know, I will tell you the best part of this has really been getting centered and managing stress during this pandemic, which has been really one of the most stressful times of my life. And the program has helped me in really specific ways beyond weight loss. It has helped me get back on a sleep schedule. It's helped me prioritize my mental health. It's helped me connect with other people. Now, of course, the weight loss is a bonus. The average System 21er has lost 15 pounds in 8 weeks, and that's just part of the mind, body, spirit benefit that this program gives you.
So the ultimate question, do your friends want to copy you?
Everybody wants to do it because it's getting me centered. That's what we all need right now is some peace.
I appreciate your leadership, and I know it took a lot because you have a bunch of things going on with the kids and all.
Yeah.
God bless. All right, so I'm going to introduce you to Carolyn, one of those women. She started on System 20 a year ago, and now is on System 21. This is what she looked like last year. This is a real photo she showed us. Carolyn, please come on out. Show us what you look like today. Whoa! I mean, where'd you go?
I don't know.
It's fantastic.
She's going. She's going.
You lost 70 pounds.
Yes.
You dealt with a lot of health issues at the same time.
Yes, absolutely.
And I tell you, the ability to get off high blood pressure medications, get off meds for inflammatory disease, which so many of you complain about, is the best part of this plan for folks. And Carolyn, you're in there as well.
Yes.
Now, you started the plan on System 20, and I remember celebrating with you. And
yes.
What have you done in System 21 that took it to the next notch?
Okay, so System 20 definitely helped me kick off, get my body together. But System 21 actually allowed me to really tap into my mindset and really allowed me to get things right mentally. So to tap into that mind, body, and spirit, what Mara was talking about. So it really allowed me to stay grounded. Yeah. It allowed me to come up with new creative ways to meditate, to just get fun with this whole process, and to really just stay, you know, like I said, grounded and dedicated to everything that I was doing because I knew my why. I knew the why to exactly why I needed to lose the weight, and that was really what was so important to me. So I even challenged everyone in the group to a plank challenge.
You did?
I did. I will admit that when I was here last year out with you guys, with Billy Blanks, I couldn't even do a plank. That was my first time doing a plank. It was adrenaline, I think, that got to me.
Well, you got it done. There you are.
Now I'm challenging myself and I'm pushing myself every day by doing a challenge of just doing planks every day and just stretching it each day to get better and better.
Look at you going there. You're probably intimidating your other teammates in System 21. That's fantastic.
Yeah, definitely.
What was the why, by the way?
The why was I was about to turn 50 when I got on System 20. And my mother didn't live to be past 51. And she had autoimmune issues, as did I.
You do.
So that was part of it. And then just being full of stress, being, you know, under just a lot of, like, overcoming trauma and abuse, things of that nature that really made me stick to my why, because that's where all the stress came from, was the burdens. I like to call it, I didn't just lose the weight, I lost the actual weight. So now I'm weightless. It was the burdens that I was releasing. That's why I said, she's gone.
She's gone.
She's gone.
Well, I love the new one. I love who took her place, Carolyn. So I want to bring
you.
Carolyn and other people on the program who have found success on System 21 because they become the world experts in what really works. And they're going to reveal their secrets with you. So Carolyn's System 21 success secret is batch cooking soup. Now, you got to do the why work.
Okay.
You got to figure out the
Yes.
purpose, and you
Yes.
got to do the plank challenges.
Yes.
But these tactics make life simpler day in and day out.
Oh, my goodness.
So explain
Yes.
the batch cooking
Okay,
soup technique.
so what I did was, especially during the pandemic, because last time I was the one that did everything on fast food.
Yep.
So I couldn't go to fast food anymore. So now I was like, oh crap, now I gotta cook.
Well, cooking's not so bad if you do it in batches.
No, and that's what I did. I started making soup. So because soup was easy, I was able to, as you can see, beans, and I was able to put my greens in here, all the same ingredients that I used in System 20. I was able to now create this and make it work.
Look at those greens.
I know, it's like I'm ready to
So you
eat
do it
this
for the
right
whole
now.
week?
I did it for the whole week, and then I would just batch it up like this, and I was good to go for myself, for my daughter, and this is really what I did during the whole pandemic. So really, when everyone was gaining weight, as you see, I kept losing.
Oh, I see it. I'm glad you're showing it off. So there's lots of good reasons to eat soup. I'm going to show you
Yes.
why this makes a difference. You get your beans in there, which is protein, your vegetables, all that good stuff.
Yes.
But it's also a unique way to keep you fuller for longer. And here's why. And I've been thinking
tell
about
me
this
why.
demo for a while. This is fantastic.
This looks kind of cool.
Well, yeah, I think you're going to enjoy it when you see what it actually proves to you.
Okay.
So typically you eat a meal, right? And you have, let's say, a solid bite of something, right? And you put that solid bite in your mouth. This is your mouth, right? And that food sort of works its way down a little bit, right? You put another bite in there because after all, you're having a meal and that works its way down. Then, yeah, you can put, a bunch of different things in there, right? But after a while, you begin to realize that you're thirsty. So what do? You take a drink of water or whatever you're going to be drinking. And when that washes that food right down. Now, here's the issue.
Okay.
When you eat your food in that fashion, it actually becomes a bit of an issue because it doesn't fill you up as much. Because these solid chunks of food have to be washed down. They don't stick in your intestinal system.
Is that why I'm still hungry?
Sometimes, yeah. But when you have soup, the thing about soup that's really cool, it combines a solid and a liquid in one bite. So when you drink the soup, it goes into your intestinal system and watch what happens. Right? It makes its way down, but in a very consistent, regular pace.
That makes
It is basically Mother Nature's appetite suppressant.
Yes, because I definitely was fuller when I ate soup.
Yeah, and it's been studied in clinical trials. When people drink soups versus solid food with just water,
Right.
this keeps you full longer. So the soup, is, in addition to it being easy to batch and all the other things you mentioned, it's a great way to suppress your appetite. I'm so proud of you, Carolyn.
Thank you so much.
God bless
Proud
you.
of me too.
All right. Let me meet Shaquilla now. Shaquilla is new to System 21, but lost 6 pounds after just 1 week of giving up added sugars. I've got a little demo table here, Shaquilla. So show me your 21 secrets, which I think is replacing your sugary drinks with a rainbow coconut water spritzer. Take it away.
Yes. Hi, Dr. Oz. And yes, I did. So I start with half a glass of coconut water.
All right,
We have coconut
I'm
water.
copying you here.
Okay.
And it's going to look like this
And
beautiful
it
thing
gives-
right over here, if I'm correct. All right, there you are.
Yeah. And, it just gives you all the electrolytes, the natural energy boosts without the caffeine.
Okay.
And then I fill the rest of my glass with seltzer water or any type of bubbling water that you like. So it gives me my bubbles, of course. And then after that, just to give it some flavor, Dr. Oz, I love coconut. So I have some coconut here. And then I have raspberry as well as blueberry. And of course, that rainbow flavor.
Look at that. Now that is beautiful. So again, you're replacing the 6 quarts of whatever stuff you were drinking that had sugar water basically in there with something that tastes just as full, just as rich. It has the carbonation, so it tickles your tongue the same way. So you get the exact same mouthfeel. Actually, I think it tastes better without all that junk and synthetic material that was messing with your body. Did I get it right?
Exactly. Yes, exactly, Dr. Oz. And I love it. It's my drink all day, and just getting away from the sodas is the best thing. But replacing it with this is awesome.
I toast you, Shaquilla. Proud of you.
Thank you, Dr. Oz.
We all find our own hacks. Listen, everyone, if you want to start System 21, it is free. You can find all the resources to start on the brand new DrOz.com website. Please check it out. But just go /System21 after you go at droz.com. You'll be in this System 21 program. The checklists are there to go shopping more readily. Recipes, one sheets, all things you ever want. And you know what? We're not done yet, because when we come back, it's snack time. These are the System 21 approved snacks that were the key to our test group's survival. And the best part is, you can eat them right out of the package. No cooking required. One of the best parts of System 21 is that we still allow you to indulge. We give you dessert. And wine. You even get a cheat day once a week. And this year, we even gave you back carbs. Yeah, you are celebrating loudly. But I know eating healthy can require a lot of prep work. And sometimes, well, we just don't have the time or the energy. That's why our next System 21 success secret is to be prepared with these healthy prepackaged snacks for when those munchies strike, because they will. Mara, what is it?
It is dehydrated fruits and vegetables, and I love this trend. You can now find them widely at supermarkets, and they're so simple. You have things like crunchy carrots with sea salt, apples, this is just apples, and broccoli with olive oil and salt, and the best thing is they're crunchy. So they give you that satisfying potato chip vibe without eating potato chips.
And you have a way of taking it up a notch, so to speak, the shake and wake technique.
Yes. You shake in some spices to wake up the flavor. So for example, this is pumpkin pie spice. I'm gonna put it on these apples. You shake it up in the bag, and then what it gives you is kind of an apple pie sensation, which is really delicious. The other one that I love, ranch dressing. You can put it on any of the dehydrated vegetables. I like it on the broccoli.
Oh, it's dry dressing.
It's dry,
I didn't realize
it's
that.
powdered ranch dressing, and what it does is it gives you like a cool ranch chip type of flavor. It's a great hack.
Look at this. Oh my goodness. Does it really taste like ranch dressing?
It really does. You could put it on popcorn even if you like, but the veggies are better.
No, popcorn is the idea. I didn't know this existed.
Yeah.
Everyone, dehydrated ranch dressing for popcorn. Oh, it's the
magic.
best.
It's magic.
It's your snack right after dinner.
Perfect.
All right, thank you very much,
Thank
Laura.
you.
All right, next, for all those candy bar lovers out there, Belinda and her husband, Eric, who I adore, have created a System 21 approved dessert using only prepackaged ingredients. Eric, this is your invention. How'd you get the idea for this dessert?
Dr. Oz, listen, my wife, I listened to her, so I knew what she really likes. She likes chocolate, she likes walnuts. So I came up with this thing called a Snicker chocolate drop. And she calls me chocolate drop too, affectionate. So I came up with this thing. And what it is, it's a pitted date.
Yep.
And you take and you add a little.
You cut the date, or you use the whole date?
Yes, this is the entire date. You take the entire pitted date,
Okay.
and you take some all-natural peanut butter. Then you take some walnuts, drop it in, and then you take this little doohickey here, which is this, and you dip it down into the chocolate. And these are semi-sweetened morsels, and you actually melt it down with coconut oil in the microwave for just a moment. And then you see this drooling with this chocolate. And then you take and sprinkle just a little pink Himalayan sea salt on it. You put it on some wax paper, and you let it sit in the refrigerator. And when you're done, you have this amazing little joker here.
Look at these babies. I tell you, it's so
Right.
simple. The salt is a brilliant addition, by the way,
Yes.
because it
And you
potentiates
know
the
what?
sweet.
She likes it. Look at that. I get points for this, Doc. I get points. And it's all System 21 approved. Absolutely.
Eric, I am so proud of you. If you can keep Belinda happy, bring a smile to her face, no wonder she's calling you. What you call you again? Chocolate nubbin?
Chocolate drop.
Chocolate drop.
Be nice.
Eric and Belinda, thank you very much. Everybody,
Absolutely.
make sure you go to droz.com for more details for System 21. All these snack ideas are right there. We'll be right back. That's good. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on new videos to live the good life.